Want to learn about a money-saving hack for your all-wheel drive vehicle? Say you're merrily rolling down the road on your daily commute and suddenly one of your tires is ruined by the inevitable road hazard. Well, you might immediately consider replacing just the damaged tire alone, because that seems to make sense, right? For all-wheel drive vehicles, matching tread depth on all four tires is crucial to avoid the risk of damage to the vehicle's drivetrain components, and also for general balance and safety. So instead of buying 4 new tires to replace your one damaged tire, here's a possible solution that can save you money. At Tire Rack, we can shave down the tread of 1 new tire to match the remaining tread depth of your other 3 tires. Problem solved and money saved. All you have to do is contact us and we will work together to make sure all your tires are on the same page.
We'll prepare your tire right here in our warehouse. If you have any questions about tire shaving, or if you're wondering if you might be a good candidate for this service, shoot us a message on our social channels, chat with us on TireRack.com, or give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help.